I like to introduce myself. I like to introduce myself. I like to introduce myself. I like to introduce myself.
Hey yo, spark up the Phillies and pass the stout. Make it quick, money grip, roll your asses out. In a street brawl, I strike men quicker than lightning. You seen what happened in my last fight, friend? I then. L's a clever threat, a lyricist who never sweat. Comparing yourself to me is like a Benz to a Chevrolet. And clown rappers, I'm bound to slay. I'm saying hi to all the cuties from around the way. Yeah, cause I got all of them strung, Jack. My girls are like boomerangs, no matter how far I throw them, they come back. I'm coming straight out the NYC. I'm down with digging in the crates and I'm MVP.
If rap was a game, he'd be MVP.
The most valuable poet on the MIC.
I said if rap was a game, he'd be MVP.
The most valuable poet on the MIC.
Yo, it's a must that I get papes. Peace to all the DJs who gave me love on they mixtapes. And once again, the man's back with a dance track. So here's your chance, Jack, to get loose and let your hands clap. I got juice like Boku. Mad crews I broke through. Brothers be mad cause I hit more chicks than they spoke to. And every time I'm jammed, I always find a loophole. I got a crime record longer than my new bowl. And my raps are unbelievable like aliens and flying saucers. No more iron horses cause I'm buying Porsches. Coming straight out the NYC. Peace to the Kid Capri. I'm MVP.
If rap was a game, he'd be MVP.
The most valuable poet on the MIC.
I said if rap was a game, he'd be MVP.
The most valuable poet on the MIC.
I like to introduce myself. I like to introduce myself.
Battles I lose none, I make crews run. I get fools done. Got 10 fingers but only use one. I run up like Machine Gun Kelly with a black skelly. Put one in your belly, leave you smelly, then take your belly. I'm the neighborhood lamper, Punani vamper. Mess around, you find my silk boxes in your mommy tamper. And nowadays girls want you for your money. I'm like, have I got nothing but love for you, honey. And since I'm looking slick and my pockets are thick, I need surgery to get chicks removed from my chill. I'm coming straight out the NYC. Raps my J.O.B. and I'm MVP.
If rap was a game, he'd be MVP.
The most valuable poet on the MIC.
I said if rap was a game, he'd be MVP.
The most valuable poet on the MIC.
If rap was a game, he'd be MVP.
The most valuable poet on the MIC.
I said if rap was a game, he'd be MVP.
The most valuable poet on the MIC.
I like to introduce myself. I like to introduce myself. I like to introduce myself. I like to introduce myself.
If rap was a game, he'd be MVP. I said if rap was a game, he'd be MVP. If rap was a game, he'd be MVP. I said if rap was a game, he'd be MVP.